All right, great day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
I'm Peppy.
And as always, super humbled for every pair of eyes watching, every pair of ears listening. And today we have a special video, Father's Day edition, debuting a new segment.
It's that new shit, man. White niggas ain't even got this.
So let me go ahead and give you the backstory on this. All right, so here we are right here at the top of summer, and it is extremely dry out here. I mean, sneakerheads is out there super thirsty for Nike to drop something. And when the drops come slow like this, what I do is typically spin the block for, the sneakers that I've always wanted and, just go ahead and pick those up, right? So I figured it'd be cool just to, bring those to you as I start to bring them in and do a review on it, like a dumb late review on the sneakers, right? All right, so I'm subscribed to another YouTuber. His name is Tony B. Wild. Atlanta native. Got to show some Atlanta sneakerheads some love. If you're not subscribed to him, go ahead and do it. And he has a segment on his where he gets sneakers super early.
So again, back with a banger in the building with another episode of God Early.
And he goes and reviews them. He plugged up into, the tier 0 stores. Me, not so much, or let me say, not yet. So I can't quite do that. When I show you some shit, it's gonna be, after the release. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and bring you a segment as I spin the block called Em Tardy.
Oh, okay. I see what you did there.
So there's no better day to debut this than this Father's Day. Speaking of which, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. My wife checked one of my sneakers off my spin the block list and gave it to me for a Father's Day gift because my Wonder Woman wife is so special and I love her to death. Thank you, baby. Mwah. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring those to you. No super preamble. We're gonna keep this short, sweet, and concise, and we're gonna take a look at the sneaker. So welcome to the first installment of Em Tardy.
What?
You're late.
And it was traffic.
And boom, what we have here is a Jordan 3 box. As you can see, the elephant print on the bottom, and you obviously know that it is kind of, a little aged over here because the box is beat down. Air Jordan 3 Retro SC Q54. Official colorway is black electric green. Let's go ahead and pop this lid and okay, not quite. And wow, here we go. And here we have them. The K54 Jordan 3. And you can still see the eBay sticker still on it, right? And of course, first impressions out the box.
Yes, sir.
Man, I've wanted this shoe for a minute, man, and obviously I missed it because it was an overseas release, so kind of difficult to get over here in the States. So let's go ahead and just get up into the details right quick. Obviously, the first thing that you see is this back tab right here, man. Yeah, you have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Pink going to some fuchsia with some blue, a dark green, a lime green, and it comes around the midsole. Tongue, you have the Q54, and on the left foot, Jumpman logo, both of them embossed. Cool little see-through hang tag. Y'all know me, I wear my hang tag, so this will be sitting right there. And the materials right here, as you can see, it's a really soft nubuck coming here. You can see it has that back and forth action. And you got this suede coming across the toe box and on this back heel tab where you would normally have elephant print. On the left foot, you have the Q, and right along the eye stays, as you can see where you have the multicolor right here. This is also 3M, as well as the back tabs. If I can go ahead and give y'all a quick little picture of that so you can see what it's looking like. You know what I'm saying? Me, I love my 3M, right? Bottom is glow in the dark. I mean, these are just so unique, and there's nothing I love more than a unique shoe. I mean, should we do a drip forecast? I mean, these came out in like 2019, 2018, something like that. So, the days have already passed, but I tell you what, yeah, let's do a drip forecast. This is, oh man, thunderstorms, lightning storms, gale force winds,
Dogs and cats living together, mass hysteria.
all kinds of stuff going down. Listen, all I got to say is when Jai get up in this, it's gonna get extremely wet.
That's what she said.
All right, y'all, and I appreciate y'all for coming through. I'm saying hopefully, so I bring some more of these, as I continue to spin the block, bring some more of these, quick little hitters for you so that we can keep the content going, man. Other than that, become a friend of mine by liking the video, leave a comment in the description. Become a friend of ours by subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you know whenever I upload another video. Listen here, Milestone Mafia, we have our books open accepting memberships, and we've been moving too, man. I definitely appreciate y'all. We crossed 100 like maybe 3 weeks ago. Now we're sitting at close to 150. Yeah, man, we got the momentum out here. I just want to keep it going, man, and I greatly appreciate y'all. So other than that, y'all, let's go ahead and end the video off. I want y'all to stay blessed and highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes, and I'll catch you on the next one, all right? Peace.
Well, about time for me to be hitting the old dusty trail.
And of course, you know, I'm doing all of this on the fly right now. So, you know, as I put this together, I'm sure we'll make it a little bit more creative and more succinct, right? But for now, let me ask y'all something. Do y'all want to see a better look at these just in case I ain't doing them justice in hand?
Wrote a song about it, like to hear it go.